So guys, I've come on here to show you how I style my twist out. So I've had these twists in my hair since last night and I've kept them in all day, especially to bring you guys this video. So for those of you that don't know me, I wear my hair majority of the time in either wigs or weaves, but I take regular breaks to give my hair a break from the tension and also to allow me to experiment with different styles of my natural hair. So I'm going to take this scarf off and reveal to you my twist that I've had in my hair. So obviously I'm going to start off by unraveling the twist. When I unravel, I always make sure that I'm not actually like pulling apart the hair too much, because that creates quite a bit of frizz and I want to keep it defined, especially around the front area where it shows. So I'm just, it's like, so yeah, I love the pattern that I get from a twist out. Some people like braid outs. Me personally, it's not really my thing. So yeah, when I'm styling my hair naturally, I try to keep it minimum in terms of products and manipulation. So all I'm going to do is just use a brush and my hands and just brush the hair up. And I do this all in sections. So what I'm going to do is get a bobby pin and literally like twist the back, get a pin and pin it in the hair. So I hope that was clear. I'm going to show you a few more. So similar on this side, brush the back, twist it and pin it. So now when I'm coming to the front, I'm always looking at the shape that I'm creating. I like a lot of volume on the top, but it needs to, obviously it can't be like this. It needs to have a bit of structure. So I kind of like a little bit of a side part. So I'll bring those curls down. See that bit more of a pin there. So that one dropping down. And then on this side, just so yeah guys, just give your hair a little style up, give it a little scrunch up and move your bits where you want it, and voila. I am more than happy with the final result. So let me show you guys the back. So if you guys want any more tips on how to achieve this quick and easy style, let me know. I'm happy to answer any questions. But yeah, in the meantime, love your wigs and weaves, but look after your natural hair underneath as well.